About to get this quick workout in. Probably run for like a mile. And do some stretches. Hop in the pool. Cool off. Eat breakfast. And start my day. Let's see, I want to show y'all the view. It's beautiful. There was some monkeys last night. It was too dark to see them. Or to get it on camera at least. Some monkeys last night. What else did we see? Iguanas. All that. Let's get this one. Another day, another adventure.
In for...
How you get it?
You can take one of those.
Helen.
Dirty. Fantastic.
We're at the top of the rainforest. I think our next stop is the waterfall. Somebody's creep.
Help. Like y'all already got 25 balls of food already.
Need help? Try with that one.
Okay. Headed to the waterfall. Oh god. Yeah.
So you have enough time to swim, to take pictures, whatever you want, right? Just enjoy the sun. You don't want to go to the sun? You need help, man. Let it rain.
Yeah.
The crocodile.
Crocodile. Little pit stop. Pulled over. Huh? Pulled over. Oh shit. We got the passion fruit. Fresh pineapple juice. Fresh. I don't know what we ordered, honestly. We'll give you a review.
Hey ladies, let's take a nice picture.
Let's take a picture with the
Bust down. And we made it back.
Barely.
We had a little
fender
incident.
bender.
small incident. Small little tap. Small tap.
Small little
tap.
You know.
Hey.
It wasn't that bad.
Yeah. It's all good.
First time.